Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 2.4L GM timing chain kit is probably one of the most critical components in your vehicle's engine, ensuring precise synchronization between the crankshaft and camshaft for optimal performance and longevity. Ignoring its condition can lead to catastrophic engine damage, so choosing the right replacement kit is crucial, impacting everything from fuel efficiency to overall engine health and lifespan. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect kit for your specific needs and budget. Number 5. ACDelco GM 12680-750 Timing Chain Kit. This kit ensures your engine runs smoothly. It's designed for consistent tension, keeping everything perfectly timed. It's the ideal replacement part for your GM vehicle. This is a genuine GM part, built to original factory specifications. You can count on it. It offers the same quality, reliability, and durability as the original GM part. It's made to meet GM's exact standards. This ensures a perfect fit and flawless performance in your vehicle. It's built to meet or exceed the highest quality standards. You'll experience lasting performance and peace of mind. Everything you need is right here. The kit includes the chain, tensioner, guides, nozzle, seal, and bolts for a complete replacement. What we like. It's a genuine GM part, providing consistent tension for optimal engine performance and long-lasting durability. If you prioritize OEM quality and reliability for your GM vehicle, this is the perfect choice. It ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. What people say. This is a great OEM kit that contains factory-approved and manufactured parts related to timing chain replacement on the 2.4-liter Ecotec engines. Just replaced my old timing chain with this new kit. 2 months now and it is working well. Good quality materials and functional. We are up and running again thanks to these parts. Timing chain is clearly marked and all the pieces were in the package like photo. Number 4. 2.4L Ecotec Timing Chain Kit. It might be your timing chain. A worn-out chain can cause serious engine damage, so don't ignore those noises. This kit is a direct replacement for your factory timing chain, ensuring a perfect fit and smooth operation. It includes everything you need: chain, tensioner, guides, all the parts to get your engine running smoothly again. It's designed for a straightforward installation, saving you time and money. But always check compatibility first. This kit fits a wide range of Buick, Chevy, GMC, Pontiac, Saab, and Saturn vehicles. Check the fitment details to make sure it's right for your car. It's rigorously tested to ensure years of reliable performance. Get back on the road with confidence. What we like. This kit boasts broad compatibility across various GM models and replaces numerous part numbers. If you need a direct replacement for your worn-out timing chain kit and have a hard time finding the right part number, this is your best bet. It's a convenient solution for a wide range of vehicles. What people say. Timing chain set was installed professionally with an oil pump and new brackets from the dealership. So far it sounds beautiful and it runs great. Bought this item for my vehicle and was perfectly matched. Got my car up and running. Great purchase. Install took around 6.5 hours. Everything fit as it should. Car has a bit of a whine now, but all codes went away and car runs like a top 2012 Chevy Malibu 2.4. Number 3. GM Timing Chain Kit. This timing chain kit meets original equipment specifications. It's a direct fit, providing a factory-fresh look and fixing those annoying engine rattles or timing-related error codes. It's built to last. The kit uses heat-treated metal for maximum durability and impact resistance. This ensures long-lasting performance. This kit fits a wide range of GM vehicles, including Chevy, Buick, GMC, Pontiac, and Saturn models from 2006 to 2015. Check the description for the full list of compatible vehicles. It replaces several OE part numbers, meaning you get a reliable kit to keep your engine running smoothly. It has undergone rigorous testing to ensure quality and performance. We stand by our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us for a replacement or refund within 12 months of purchase. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It's built to original equipment manufacturer specifications using high-quality materials for exceptional performance and longevity. If you are looking for a reliable, long-lasting timing chain kit that performs like the original, but better, this is a great option. It's designed to withstand the test of time and keep your engine running smoothly. What people say. This was exactly what I needed for the part 1 ordered. Product as described and the quality was good and performed as needed and had non-problems with install. Fit was perfect. Exactly as advertised. Came on time. Without problem. Works just as it's supposed to. This was the best packaged cover gasket I've ever bought, and I've done a ton of these timing kits. Even name brands aren't packed that well and come bent up. The quality of materials also seem to be just as good as OEM, and I would buy it again if I need another one anytime soon. Number 2. ECCPP Timing Chain Kit. This kit ensures smooth engine operation. It's designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. It's built to original equipment manufacturer standards, promising reliable and durable performance. Experience a quieter, smoother engine. Engine running rough? This kit provides a simple solution for restoring your engine's performance. It fits a wide range of Chevrolet, Buick, Pontiac, GMC, Saab, and Saturn models from 2003 to 2015. Check the compatibility list to confirm it fits your vehicle. Though professional installation is recommended, it's designed for straightforward replacement. Get back on the road quickly. We use only high-quality materials and rigorous testing to ensure superior performance and durability. You can trust in its reliability. Before purchasing, please verify compatibility using the Amazon Parts Finder. This ensures a perfect fit for your vehicle. What we like. Manufactured to meet stringent OEM standards, it delivers superior performance and durability. If you demand top-tier quality and reliable performance for your engine, this is a great option. It ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. What people say. Nice kit, good price. If you have variable valve timing, order the Dorman 74114 camshaft bolt, 1 pack. No chain kit supplies these and you will need them. 2010 Chevy Malibu 2.4 runs great now. Also quiet. This product was a lot easier to install than I thought it would be. Lego muy rápido y Lego tal y como esta en la imagen. Y la install y espero to do function correctamente. Number 1. ECCPP Engine Timing Chain Kit. This kit ensures your engine runs smoothly. It's designed for a range of vehicles, offering a reliable and efficient solution. It fits various Buick, Chevrolet, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Saturn models from 2000 to 2011. Check the compatibility list to confirm it's right for your car. The first package includes a timing chain, tensioner, sprockets, and a crank sprocket. Everything you need for a complete replacement. The second package adds guide rails and another timing chain, providing even more comprehensive coverage for your repair. This kit replaces a wide variety of part numbers, making it easy to find the right fit for your vehicle. Check the description for the full list. Before ordering, double-check your vehicle's compatibility using the Amazon Parts Finder. This ensures a perfect fit for your car. What we like. This kit is compatible with a wide range of vehicles and replaces multiple part numbers, making it a versatile and cost-effective choice. If you're on a budget but still need a reliable replacement, this is a great value option. It offers excellent performance without breaking the bank. What people say. Perfect fit for my 2002 Grand AM. Easy install. Fit my 03 Ion as it should. 3 black links instead of 1 unique colored link, but simple enough to figure out, so I colored mine for reference purposes. I've had this installed for 1 full year now and it's been just fine. And this is on my daily driver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.